Hi there, my name is Will. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on execution policies. Thing that tends to trip a lot of people up in the beginning when they start using PowerShell. Um, as you can see here, I'm using the ISE. I have a little script here that I want to run, and just for an example, I'm going to run it to show you what happens. Now, this red text is telling me that by default it won't run the script, which is the default setting for PowerShell. You have to change that if you want scripts to run. And the way that you do that basically is go into your command prompt. You can go into the other console, the PowerShell console, IC. It doesn't matter. Once you change it, it's a global change, and it's pretty much stays that way until you either change it through group policy or you change it using the set execution policy commandlet. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to set execution. I'm now going to have the safest of all. There are other settings. You can have all signed, but that's a bit of a pain in the neck because every single thing that runs has to be signed and digitally signed, and it's just it can be quite painful. I'm not that savvy about certificate signing and doing all that in PowerShell, but I do know by the tutorials I have watched, and I have seen that 90% of people, even in a domain environment, use remote signed because it's the compromise of security and being able to actually use a shell without being told every time you do something that it's an error, you can't do this, it's not signed, so it can be a real pain. So all you do here is put remote signed, just tab complete it. It's going to ask you to change it. Yes, I want to change it. Now, if I go into my ISE and clear this and run it, it tells me now I can run. That's all you got to do. It's quite easy. Like I said, it does trip a lot of people up in the beginning. I can tell you it's tripped me up a lot when I didn't understand what was going on. Yeah, so I hope this is helpful, and yeah, if you like it, subscribe. Cheers.